Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Cash App stuck on a spinning loading screen or a green screen that just won't go away? Here's how to break out of it using only your iPhone settings under 30 seconds. First, swipe up completely and close the Cash App from your recent apps. Then go to your iPhone settings and then go to Wi-Fi and toggle your Wi-Fi off. Switch completely to your mobile data and then reopen the Cash App. Payment apps like Cash App often get stuck in a broken Wi-Fi session, and switching to mobile data creates a fresh connection that breaks the loop. If Cash App loads on mobile data also, your Wi-Fi was the problem. Fix it by going back to the settings, tap Wi-Fi and tap the letter I next to your network name, and then tap forget this network. Now reconnect with your password. If it's still stuck on mobile data too, go ahead and open your browser and then go to status.cash.app. This is the Cash App's official page. If they are showing an ongoing incident, their server are down and you just need to wait. You can also restart your iPhone completely. Hold the slide button and volume down, slide to power off, and wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. So all you've got to do is close Cash App, switch to mobile data, forget and reconnect Wi-Fi, or check Cash App official status page. Loading screen will be gone. So